Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you guys had a good night. Man, I was like literally up at, I think I've been up since like 3 o'clock this morning. I have not been going back to bed. I woke up and I started thinking about all these things to teach you guys in this next coming a couple months. I don't know. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But I kept thinking about crypto and a lot of you guys, and I just was feeling this compassion for you guys that I know a lot of people are down right now in the markets, and I don't know. I just wanted to be this like encouraging voice to you guys that not the market. This is my opinion. I'm not I can't foretell the future. But guys, this thing is due for a move up, and I actually am seeing patterns this morning that could get very bullish on Bitcoin, and I'm going to explain to you guys something that can happen here that could actually push Bitcoin up very fast. So I want you guys to watch this video. If you're new or if you've been with me for a while, I want to show that to you guys, okay? We're sitting at 102 for 102 wins. Now, we've been here for a little while because, a lot of trades are, in drawdown. We're waiting for it to get back into the profit. Probably take the next one on Matic. But what I'm doing now in these videos, these new videos I'm coming out with, you guys know that you can take trades right now and do very well. Like I just came out with a video yesterday on Doge and ADA showing you guys how to get into some trades. I'll show you guys how to get into a Bitcoin trade today. Let's say literally if you guys just have like $100 that you want to throw into the markets today, I will show you in this video a really good trade to take where it's going to be very, very hard to lose this trade that I'm going to show you on Bitcoin if you want to take a trade right now, okay? Show that to you guys in the second half, and then I'll also talk to you guys about the indicator sell that we've got going on, but I want to get into the technical analysis right now. Okay, we are currently in this trade. Now, myself personally, when I say we, I say the channel, but myself, I'm not in Bitcoin. I'm in a bunch of other coins. I'm literally in like every other coin possible except for Bitcoin because I feel like we can make more on other coins because they're at lower prices. I did a video showing that if we move back to the same structure highs on Bitcoin, let's say all the altcoins move back to this structure high right here, percentage-wise, you're going to make more money on almost literally every single other coin. And because I'm trading for US dollars and not to acquire more Bitcoin, that's why I don't trade Bitcoin. Okay, so I want to show that to you guys. All right, let's take a look at this. This morning, retail traders looking at their normal indicators here, their RSI, stochastic, and MACD, well, hey, those are actually bullish, but their moving averages are bearish. So we are getting to a spot right now, guys, that can get really confusing for retail traders, but I'm going to explain to you guys why this is actually, I know this sounds weird, but it's good that retail traders are confused because this is where we can actually see a lot of pumps in the market. And you're like, how in the world is that possible? I will show you how this is possible. I'll teach you guys why markets pump really quickly and possibly why Bitcoin could be pumping very fast here soon. I want to make this red actually because this could actually be pretty huge. I want you guys to be fully aware of this, okay? We're going to make it red. All right, follow me here. Do you guys see this ridiculous descending resistance line right here? Okay, great. Everyone sees that. What can happen here is because this is such a strong resistance that everybody can see, everybody looking at Bitcoin knows it's there. What's going to probably happen here is we're going to get a lot of people looking to short the market right around this area. Like literally this could start happening today, so I need you guys to watch this video and be aware of this, okay? So we could see a lot of short pressure come out in the market very soon. We are seeing down here the price or swell money flow and the trend exhaustion. These two indicators here are showing us that money is flowing into the markets here, which is good. And we're seeing the trend exhaustion high, which is good as well. We're moving up here, but we are getting closer to the top red section up here. And when the whale money flow gets up there as well, this is when we are seeing drops back down in the market. You guys have seen me just call this millions of times, like literally hundreds of times. When we get the trend exhaustion high here and the whale money flows high as well, you guys are looking at both these correlations here. This is where you guys need to be watching for those market moves back down. All right. Now, what happens sometimes is that people, when they look to short, if there's a great place where short trades are expected, it's probably the best way to put that, this can also be a place where institutions actually squeeze out short trades and it can get extremely bullish. Extremely bullish, guys. I'm talking like we could hit this resistance up here within the next 3 days. Like really, really bullish. We've done it before and this exact thing has happened. Here's what happens. Follow this. What's going to most likely happen here that I'm predicting if we move up? Guys, I would have to say, based off the indicators up here of moving up here, we have about an 80% chance that we're just going to come up here and we're going to start moving back down at least to this support, okay? But this scenario is possible. When we get to this area, short trades are going to be placed. If short trades are placed, the amount of short trades will depend a lot on that. And I'll show you guys how we can watch this. Literally, I'll show you how to watch it over here with the short trades because it's actually happening right now. And I'll prove it to you with literally blockchain metrics down here of what's happening on the blockchain for Bitfinex for long and short trades. But as short trades right here are probably going to increase, if this thing goes up and starts blasting off here and it breaks this resistance, which this resistance right here, right around this level of 44,200 is most likely where a lot of short traders are going to have their stop losses, because that's going to be an official break of the descending resistance as well as a break of the resistance. That's going to get very bullish because we've got people with buy stop orders, I know for sure, that are going to be trading the breakout of this descending channel, because this descending channel will break to the upside about 75% of the time. It's very rare that you will see this channel break even further to the downside, especially because we've been in it and established for so long. Okay, so here's what happens. People short right here. They hit their stop losses. They freak out because it's going up so fast that the people who went short are now going long with the people that are already going long, and now you have everybody that's the short traders out there taking long positions, and everybody taking long positions in the first place are still going long. So you have the mass majority of people in the trading market going long, and this is exactly how you get ridiculous pumps in the market, and this thing can just like fly up here extremely fast. If that happens, guys, altcoins are going to be going up, and this is something you really want to be watching. Okay, when it does get to that area, watch the indicator over here and get these on your charts, because when we're up in the top red section here and your top red section here, that's where you guys should be looking for some exits. Okay, I'll show you guys how to get into a trade here at the end of this video. Let's take a look at this. Let's dive into the metrics now to prove this point a little bit further. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these are going to update. With our membership, you guys get access to all of these for every single one of our coins. It's really awesome. Emotional index. This is showing us that we're sitting in the neutral section right now. Now, we're not in the fearfulness. We're definitely not in greedy by any means, guys. We're sitting in here in the neutral section. So this is another reason why I think this could possibly get very bullish, is because we've got people that are kind of just bored and they're looking to place some orders. Let me say that again. There's a lot of people who are like, we aren't doing anything lately, and they want some action in their life, and they will literally just start placing orders because they want the thrill of greed. And they want the thrill of risk. I know this sounds silly, but it is a true thing, and check yourself to see if you're doing it yourself, okay? Don't do it. If you're gonna set up a trade, set up the trade I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. I'll show you guys how to get the buy limits and show you the buy limits to use for this trade. Okay, long for short trade on the blockchain here for Bitfinex. All right. Let's take a look here. We are seeing short trades increase and long trades are staying the same. Okay, bringing this back over to Bitcoin. Short trades are increasing because I think a ton of people are doing exactly what I'm doing on this chart this morning, and they're looking at this third touch for a great possible move back down to come down to this descending support, which is down here, for possibly a move down to $36,000, okay? So it's already happening as a precursor that short trades are increasing. So if this short squeeze happens and all the short trades get squeezed out of their positions and hit their stop losses on the short trades, then this thing can get very, very bullish. Is it making sense now how we can pump? All right, trades in favor. I do believe trades in favor are still down here, telling us that a good long trade is amazing right now. A great long trade, okay? Not short trades. Look at where we've come from, guys. I know there's people right now, because this is clearly from the blockchain perspective. What's happening over here? Short trades are increasing. Yes, it's increasing, but look at where we're at, guys. I don't feel like, in my personal opinion, after winning 102 trades in a row here with you guys, I don't feel a short trade's great. I do believe a long trade is the best thing to take right now, okay? And I'll show you guys how to take that in this video. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm like freezing. This house, like we woke up this morning. I think our house is like 62 degrees. Whew, sorry, I'm like literally like I'm shaking over here like doing the video. Should have done some like push-ups or something before I came on. All right, guys, just keeping it real. Okay, well, institutional smart money. What we saw yesterday is that the price structure started moving up on Bitcoin. But guys, when you see Wells institutions come out here and they start looking at accumulating short trades, the market's going to drop, okay? It's very rare the market doesn't drop when this happens. So what happened here is people got excited and they dropped it right back down. What's happened lately, which is actually a very bullish sign, which is, again, guys, this is where it can get kind of tricky and it can get very bullish, is that we've got short trades increasing on the blockchain because they're looking for the drop back down for Bitfinex. But then you've got people over here like Wells and Institutions who are buying the dip right now, looking for this move back up. Now, it's not a strong buy. Let's be really clear about this. This is a strong buy. When we got up here, that's when the market moved. When we got way down here, that's where it could not head up any further. It moves straight back down. Do you guys see how much fun we're having with these metrics? Like, I don't mean to just do like a ad roll type thing here on you guys, but like with the membership, you guys literally get access to all this data to make the best trading decisions possible every single day when you guys trade. It's amazing. And real quick, shameless plug here, guys. Our membership is going up to $95 a month, and it's $49 a month right now. So make sure you snag this. Okay, back to the analysis. All right, guys. Support and resistance prices. What I'm seeing, guys, is the greatest level of resistance is up here at let's call it $45,000, and then I'm looking at a support down here at the wick value low. Okay, taking a look at this. I'm looking at this level here, and I'm looking at this level. All right. You guys know I've done this on the video. I told you guys, do I think that we have a greater chance of hitting 50,000 or 30,000 first? I'm not going to change my mind. I really do believe $50,000, and I've said this like even when we're going down further, I do believe $50,000 is where we're going to hit first before $30,000. All right? The reason for this is I'm actually really liking how we have broken above this descending resistance back here, and we've held this, and if we break this right here, this is a very bullish cycle right here. That's an official uptrend. Do you guys know the moment that we have a candle break above $45,000, that's an official uptrend? Okay, there's only two things. I was going to say one pattern, but there's two things that verify an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Only two things that verify a downtrend ever is lower highs and lower lows. I know it looks terrible, but lower highs and lower lows and higher highs and higher lows. Those are the only two things. So a break above 45,000 is an official break above resistance structure. It's a break above descending resistance as well. That could get very bullish. And watch that, guys, because it could probably happen. Honestly, it could probably happen by like this weekend, maybe a breakout weekend. That'd be kind of cool. All right, guys, take a look at this. We're coming in here and we're seeing that we've got a green bar down here for dollar cost average entries. Great entry for those of you guys who want to get into the markets and you guys want to hold for a long time. Again, I'm having this feeling in my gut. Again, I want to keep gut feelings and emotions out of this because I want to keep it technical, but sometimes gut feelings are correct, and there's reasons why we have them, all right? I have a feeling we could actually start getting pretty bullish here in the next about 3 to 4 days. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to set up a trade, and if you have extra cash, I would take it. I just want to point that out to you guys, okay? When we get back up here, we're going to be looking for exit points. That's what this metric's calling for exit points in the market. Great, you guys know that. We are still in a confirmed death cross. So the 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average. This is an official death cross, but in the last death cross, we spent 75% of the time moving in an uptrend in a death cross environment, okay? Overall, looking at this right now, guys, we are seeing that I would say we are actually looking a little bit more bullish than bearish. The only bearishness I can come out and see right now is honestly short trades increasing, which actually I'm feeling right now like I kind of think that's actually even better for us because it could trap a lot of short traders to see a nice move back up. Okay, now I want to say this. Trend exhaustion pushing up here to the top red section, well money flow getting high here. This does have an accuracy of 80% drop of a move back down. But what could happen here is when we get up there is we see a break, a drop back down to validate the indicators, and then a move back up. As long as we can move above this descending resistance line and stay above 45, let's call it 45. As long as we stay above 45,000 and above this descending resistance once we break, guys, this thing can get really, really, really bullish. That's what I want you guys to watch for. Okay, let me get you guys into a trade. You want to make some money? That's what we're all here for, right? We're here to make some money. By the way, take a look at some profits, guys. Our team updates this like on an everyday basis now. It's super cool. Keep it up, Travis. I love how safe your strategy is on the long run. On the long term. I'm now trading confident. Awesome. Madonna, great job. I'm glad you're feeling really confident. This guy makes $1,000 with our calls. Buy the indicators. Listen to Travis. The end. I appreciate that, man. All right, guys. Here's the deal on this. Our membership is $49 a month. You guys are going to love what we have planned coming this year. Part of the reason why we have a lot of stuff coming is because it's going to cost us more. We're looking to hire more employees, and that's why we're upping prices, to be honest, because we're paying for more expenses to do more for you guys. So in order to do that, we are upping the membership price. Come over here and get in and secure your guys' spot in here for $49 a month. Guys, can I want to make everything transparent. I made a mistake on the videos, and I want to just own up to it right now. I put on our blog that I posted that the membership's going up $50. I am so sorry, guys. It's not going up $50. It's going up $46. It is literally going from $49 to $95. So I want to just own my mistake and just apologize about that, okay? It is going to $95 and not $49. And this is happening next month. So this is a monthly membership. So you guys want to get in as soon as possible so you guys are locked in, and I will grandfather you guys in at $49 a month, okay? We are going to be coming out with something called the Inner Circle Acceleration for Crypto, where I'm going to be getting on Zoom with you guys, and this is probably going to happen maybe, I'm looking at maybe once or twice a month, maybe more, where we're literally going to get on Zoom, and we're all going to be together as a family of traders here, like all of us over here, and we're going to be talking about the markets, and I'm going to teach you guys masterclass level training and show you guys how I can literally take live trades with you in Coinbase. It's going to be some of the best coaching I personally believe you will ever receive for crypto, and this is coming from a channel that we've never lost a trade, and I will teach you guys those principles, and we get to hang out together and do Q&A sessions. It's going to be so much fun, guys. Like, I literally was thinking about this since 3 a.m. this morning. I'm like literally planning out how I'm going to do like whiteboard teachings with you guys. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. Anyways, point being, make sure you guys get the membership now so you guys could get in here. So when the price does go up, you are not having to literally almost pay double. Okay. That membership's going to give you access to all the metrics up here, okay? This whole suite of metrics that you guys saw me go over for Bitcoin, you're going to get it for all of this. Now, the live trades over here, this membership is also going to unlock every single one of our live trades that we've ever taken, okay? All of them. All these 102 wins have all been taken from this page right here. Let me show you guys now, because I promised you in the beginning of the video, I will show you a trade setup you can take right now to take advantage of this pump, and it's going to have extremely good risk management, all right? Guys, the days of pump coins for me are over. Forget that. Like, I've seen too many people, I've seen family members, I've seen friends just get wrecked, and it's ruining their lives, and it's just causing way too much emotions, and they're ruining their families because they think that this whole thing is just a gambling game, and they try to get in and out. I've even got millionaire traders that I'm coaching who are doing super well one day, and they're doing terrible the next day because they're not using risk management. And, I'm sorry, they weren't using risk management. I'm coaching them now, and they're like, whoa, I can kind of understand now why I'm trading this strategy and why it's working and I'm not losing trades. Oh, guys, like, once you start learning this, you're going to realize there's no better way to trade, okay? Everybody who's used our buy limits and the strategy I'm about to teach you, those accounts, our account, will be the first, all of our accounts that are using 4 buy limits, we will be the first ones into the profit. We will be the first ones into the profit when this comes back. Everybody else who FOMO'd into these other prices up here with their entire account, which is like 98 to 99% of the entire market, maybe it's you watching. I'm not trying to be rude. Maybe it's you watching. You guys are going to be waiting forever to get back into the profit, and we're going to get back into the profit probably like right here. We don't have to hit break even for our account to get back into to the profit. Like, literally, this is where we make up a ton of money while other people are waiting on the sidelines. I'm telling you guys, watch it. Watch my channel live. Watch as we go up. We're going to break 100,000 here soon, okay? Take a look at this. If you guys have $1,000, here's exactly how to trade our strategy. You pick the amount you want to enter in with the market. Okay, take your amount, divide it by 4, $250 each. Place $250 or 1/4 of your trade allotment at each of the 4 buy limits. Set all these buy limits up at the exact same time. Literally, right now, you guys can do this. Right now, you guys can do this morning and take this trade. If you guys see this morning when you get up at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because it's going to update to say 120 here, if the price is a little bit above the yellow line here, which it probably will be, you guys can go ahead and market order in with 25% at the current price this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or when you guys check. 25% will guarantee that you guys get in right now before this possible pump happens because of the short squeeze that could be happening right now. Literally, this could happen today, guys. So watch this. I want you guys to get in. It is going to be very difficult. I would like to almost say that I can quote unquote guarantee you guys cannot lose this trade. because of this. Once you guys set up all of your 4 buy limits, I want you guys to set a sell limit up here. But here's the deal. Once the first buy limit's set up, you're going to have money in the market and you're going to make money if this goes up. But if this goes down and hits your second buy limit here, you guys are going to have a break-even entry that moves down from 41,948 between the first and second buy limit, because you put equal portions of money at each of these. I know the mathematics of it's not exactly correct, but this is the easiest way to calculate it. And technically, if you calculate it like this, where you take the first buy limit plus the second buy limit and divide it by 2, it actually pushes it up a little bit higher than where it technically is supposed to be, which covers fees for you guys. So that's actually why I use that, because it's a guarantee that you'll cover fees if you use the method where you take the first buy limit plus the second buy limit and divide it by 2. How do you find the break-even entry? If you hit our third buy limit, take the third buy limit, second buy limit, first buy limit, add all the prices together, divide them by 3. That will give you guys a great break-even entry, which is technically a little bit higher than if you were to take all of them divided by the amount of shares that you own. Okay? So that's going to be a better calculation. That's what I use, because that quote unquote guarantees that I actually get into the profit and cover my fees, because it's a little bit higher. It's actually kind of cool because you're actually like guaranteed to make more money. So what I want you guys to do is use this strategy. It's going to be very hard to lose that trade. All right. Now, once you guys have taken that trade here, follow me in Telegram. Now, in Telegram, I'm going to start coming out here and showing you guys some more ways to make money in crypto. Like this video and the videos I've been doing lately, you guys have seen the sentiment completely change in my videos. I'm showing you guys now how to make money. The Telegram channel over here, you guys need to be a part of. Okay, that inner course crypto acceleration that I'm gonna be doing over Zoom with you guys is gonna be called out in Telegram, so you need the access over here, and that's why the membership is going up. Okay, that is gonna give you access to all of the trade updates I do, as well as the exits I call with the indicators over here. So the indicators that you guys really need to be getting right now are these. It is going to be these 3. It's the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. I use these every single day. These individual prices on these 3 indicators are going up January 28th. This next Friday, it's not at the end of the month. This next Friday, these are going up. I think you guys literally have 9 days left. So here's the deal with these. You guys can get these 3. That's great, 60% off. But I highly recommend you guys go ahead and get the bundle pack, because this is going to give you an extra 21% off, because they're 81% off instead of 60%. And you guys also, with the bundle pack, get all of these indicators with that. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before that you guys get: London Breakout and Forex Mockup. This is a ridiculously amazing indicator here. The trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, price swell, money flow. These 3 have given us 102 for 102 wins. That's how we've called all of our exits. Very, very powerful tools to have on your hands, guys, going into 2022. So today, make sure you guys are getting this, because our prices are going up for these 3. I'm going to keep the bundle pack the same price, because this is only going to appreciate in value. We will eventually increase the bundle pack. It's actually on the list. I talked to the team about this. Most likely in 2 months, we're going to be raising the bundle pack. So make sure you guys get that as well. Before you guys know it, we're just going to up all the prices here. We are going to hit a plateau where we're going to keep things the same price eventually. But we are so cheap on what we charge, guys, and I know the value is going to be going up here because of what we are offering to you guys is going to be going up in value. So that's why we're upping prices here. Make sure you guys get in here, get some of the best indicators you guys will ever get. I've literally coded indicators for TradingView.com customers for a living 2.5 years ago. I've had the COO, Iskander, if you guys know who that is, maybe not, probably not, and the CMO of TradingView.com, like of the entire company, TradingView.com, reached out to me. They're like, look, Travis, we love your indicators. I won't tell you how much they were going to pay for them, but they offered me thousands of dollars to actually take the indicators, and they're like, we want to put them on TradingView. I'm like, look, I love you guys. That's awesome. I love TradingView. I'm always going to be a fan, but I'm going to keep it for my members. This is some past indicators that I've coded. I've taken all that expertise and I've put it into all these indicators here, and I do believe, without trying to be arrogant here, these are some of the best, if not the best, indicators to trade crypto with. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we're doing this because of our risk management strategy, our metrics, and our indicators. So do not miss that, guys. It is just a screaming good deal. So getting back over here, those of you guys who are setting up your biomes, look at this. We're already going up. We're at negative 24, and we're already pushing up here to negative 21.68. This literally could possibly happen today. This breakout that I'm talking about, guys, this could get really fun to watch. Okay, I'm just getting jacked here. So make sure you guys are getting that trade set up, because that first buy limit you guys are going to hit this morning with literally 25% market order in. You guys can literally, if this goes up, you're going to make money. Once the trend exhaustion has pushed up into the top red section here and the well money flow is high as well, that's where I want you guys to be looking for an exit on that for this market, or wait for the next YouTube video to come out if you guys don't feel like you're in the greatest profit there, and I'll give an assessment, okay? But if the price goes down, you have 3 buy limits that are literally going to give you insurance on your trade. Do you guys see now how there's no better way to trade crypto? Period. There's no better way to trade it. You can't, like, guys, it's extremely hard to lose. It's a win-win situation. If you get into the market now and it goes up, you make money. Like, look at this. Let me give you an example. We got into a buy limit over here. Okay, great. We went down. We hit our 3rd buy limit. We had a break-even entry come all the way back down here. Like, do you guys see this? Like, we have 2 buy limits that have not been hit yet. So if we hit our 3rd buy limit, our break-even entry is going to come down even further. This is like, it's going to be so hard to lose this trade that we're in that's why I'm confident, because you guys are starting at 21% in greater favor than even where this trade that we took in the past is. How are you not going to win that trade? Guys, either Bitcoin and crypto goes to 0 or you guys win the trade. Like, literally, if you want a winning trade, you're going to watch a bunch of YouTube videos this week. I want you to remember this as you watch a bunch of YouTube videos for the rest of the weeks and the rest of the months. If you guys watch this channel, I can get you into trades. If you guys have the membership, you can get into trades that you guys are going to win, okay? I can't guarantee wins because I just can't say that, all right? But we've never lost a trade, and mathematically, it's going to be extremely hard for you guys to lose this. You want to make money? Get into this Bitcoin trade. You want to make money on any of these coins over here? I'm confidently telling you right now that if you get over here and you get into any of our buy limits, our 4 buy limits today on any of our coins, you guys will most likely win those trades. Like, literally 10 to 20% profits on those trades that you guys could be looking at. Dogecoin, if you guys get into that trade I talked about yesterday, excuse me, guys, you're probably going to be looking at about a 20% win on that. And you guys know the setup. Watch the video. Like, guys, this is getting powerful. So why do you need the membership? You need the membership so you guys can actually know where to place your buy limits correctly. Use the indicators for the exits, which that's the most important part. Get the bundle pack so you guys can actually know when to exit the trades when the trend exhaustion is high up here, because that's calling the drops about 80%. And then the Telegram over here is giving you guys updates of when I'm exiting my trades and what I'm personally taking as far as coins that I'm trading. Guys, this is literally like a go-to spot, and that's what I wanted to make it for all of you guys trading crypto. We are going to win a lot more trades this year. It's just a matter of time, and you can start winning trades right now with that setup that I showed you guys. All right? God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Make sure you're getting the indicators before this goes up in price. You have a few days left, and they are never going to return to this lower price again. Seriously, they will never return to this price again. It is actually going to go up another time after this in a couple months from this Friday coming up. We're going to be upping the prices, and then we're going to up them again. Okay, guys? Seriously, this is the cheapest you will ever get. So if you've ever sat on the sidelines or you're brand new to this channel and you're like, this guy talks way too fast or something like that, and you're like, I want to get in, just get in and save the investment and keep watching the videos. Get the indicators, get the membership before that goes up, and you'll just pat yourself on the back knowing that you saved yourself the most ridiculous amount of money. Because what we have coming in 2022, guys, I want to just blow you guys away with the value that I give you. It's going to be so much fun too. All right, guys, I've done enough on this. Have a good one, guys. I'll come out with 2 more videos this morning to give us some updates on the markets, but make sure you guys are getting everything in the description. I've also pinned a comment to the first YouTube. Basically, in the comment section of this YouTube video, I'll pin a comment so you guys can get into the metrics, and as well as you guys can get the bundle pack and the indicators. So God bless you guys. I'll see you later. This may be getting very bullish very quick, so let's watch out for that. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.